If you want to improve collaboration between your team's tasks and documentation, integrating Jira with Confluence is a powerful solution. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to connect Jira with Confluence step by step, even if you have zero experience. This integration allows you to link issues, share updates, and keep all your work in sync. To get started, log into your Jira account. Then go to the Settings or Administration section. Look for Application Links in the Settings menu. This is where you can connect Jira with other Atlassian products like Confluence. Next, enter your Confluence site URL in the Application Links field and click Create New Link. Jira will attempt to connect with Confluence automatically. If prompted, confirm the connection and proceed. After that, configure the link by selecting the appropriate application type and ensuring both systems trust each other. You may need admin permissions in both Jira and Confluence to complete this step. Once the integration is set up, go to your Confluence account and open any page. You can now embed Jira issues directly into Confluence pages. Click on Insert and choose Jira Issue, or paste a Jira issue link, and it will automatically display as a smart link. You can also create Jira issues directly from Confluence. Highlight text in a Confluence page and choose the option to create a Jira issue. This helps you turn ideas or requirements into actionable tasks instantly. Additionally, you can track project progress by embedding Jira reports or dashboards into Confluence pages. This keeps your documentation and project updates in one place. Make sure to test the integration by linking a Jira issue and confirming that updates are reflected correctly in Confluence. In short, integrating Jira with Confluence involves creating an application link, connecting both platforms, and using features like issue linking and embedding for better collaboration. Now that you understand the process, set up the integration and improve your team's productivity and communication. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.